That was an expensive spin. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing the all-new Viture Luma Pro XR glasses. So I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't gonna say I'm a fan of these. I've been trying to unbox these for the past couple years now. Probably like 2 years or so. But I finally got my hands on these. I've been trying to look everywhere and I seen Best Buy. They had a little sale on these. So I drove to my nearest Best Buy and they had one left and I was super excited because holiday season, these things were gone. You can't find these. And also you can't find is the Lenovo Legion Go 2. I've been trying to find that everywhere. The Z2 Extreme Edition, obviously. And yeah, it's in back order. So initially what these are not VR, these are XR. So you're gonna need something for these to work like a phone, or they have a home dock as well, which I wanted to get, but at the same time, most of the things that's in the home dock, I have my phone. So I didn't think all that was necessary, but there's some extra features on the home dock that you could get as well. And that will be in another separate video. This is just a quick unboxing. When I go deep dive with this, I will do all the features of the home dock as well that you could get for this. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Talk about a little bit about the specs of this. And that was actually pretty cool. Did you guys see that? Like the effect, like it's a little cool touch there. And it was kind of a little tough to take that out. All right. They got the little Apple S unboxing. Not too satisfying. It's kind of like plasticky, I guess. Throw these over here. All right. So right here, step by step, a little manual, quick little manual for you to set up. Nice. Oh, I like the white box. Ooh, it is the Pro, so. All right, let's put these up here for now. Let's see what else is in here. Pretty sure just the wire, the extra nose pads, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, hit the camera a little bit. Oh, that actually flew. What the? They weren't even properly in here. Look at this. That was actually kind of annoying. Let me grab the other one. It flew all the way over there. All right, we're back. That's the extra cushion as well that comes with it. This is the little nose guard. All right. So let's see what else. There's nothing else in there. The manual. Well, another manual. Quick little step-by-step, same thing. Another one in other languages. All right, these are extra. So extra covers for the front, I'm assuming. Or the inside. It does show where the nose area is at. If you guys could see that right there. There's like a replacement for it. Let me, boom. Now you can see that a little better. Perfect. Cleaning cloth, obviously. And more paperwork. So let's put these to the side. So let's get this right here. Just saying, guys, the prices do differ with these because this is a Pro. These are $5.99, but I did get a good snag on these. So let's see. I do like this little case. It's a little sturdy. Kind of has like a, not like a leather touch. Kind of like leather, but a little more softer. I like the blue. Oh, the inside is blue as well. Nice little suede. Look at those. Wow. Oh, I do like how they look right there. Wow, they look awesome. It kind of gives me like a carbon fiber. Look at that. Nice. And there's where you connect the wire. Yes, there we go. And then, all right, you put, I'm tripping. All right, perfect. Yes, these are the wire, plastic. So this is everything that comes with the Vitures. Let me just take that out actually to show you everything that comes with. All right, the wire. It is magnetized right here. So it's with magnets, so it clicks in pretty sturdy. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty sturdy. Oh, yeah, so for you to actually you have to put a little force into that. Yeah, you have to really give it a little. Yeah, batteries are, the magnets are kind of good. Wish it was a little more tougher, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of sturdy already how it is. Move this over here. I do like the blue interior of this. This feels good. And then there's where you put the wire and probably like a little charger as well. All right, and what else? So this is, it is for the, oh yes it is. It is for the fronts. So it is for right there. These replacements. It's for this little front right there. And then you can see those pads right here. And there is where the emitters are, the little projectors in the inside, so you can see obviously. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through of the Viture Pro and a little bit of the specs. Oh, I do like that clicky mechanism, look at that. Nice and responsive. All right, so these bad boys right here is not a standalone device. Obviously you're gonna need your phone, the little home dock they have, or whatever it's called. So these glasses offer a 135-inch vertical 1080p display with 120 hertz refresh rate. And I'm pretty sure, and also it goes up to 4,000 nits peak brightness. It has USB-C or wireless connectivity. I don't know how that's gonna be. I'm gonna see how it is. Well, that's a couple features trickled down for you guys. I ain't gonna go too deep dive into these. I'm gonna try these bad boys out. Also put these to the stress test, gaming, phone, music, day-to-day things, what I could do with this mainly. This is more obviously like a device to use when you're relaxing. Yeah, I mean, I'll see you then, guys. It's a quick little unboxing of the Viture. Let me know in the comment below if you guys wanted to bite the bullet and buy these bad boys. I mean, wait until I get the review on these, probably come out in a week or so, to really understand if these are really pro. But yeah, I say just wait on my review and to see if these are actually worth the $500 price mark these things got. Or you should not buy these and go for the Meta Quest 3 or the 3S. I mean, it depends, because this is not a standalone device. This is a device that you need another device for it to work, but I heard this is pretty good. But see you in my next video, guys. And like I said before, if you like everything buzzing in the world of tech, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to this. And if you guys can head over to my socials and give it a follow, it will be amazing. You already know, guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.